If you're looking for ways that you can actually sell custom products online, print on demand business is one of the powerful ways that you can actually start this business. If you're an entrepreneur, you're an artist, and you're a content creator, and you're looking for ways that you can actually sell your custom personalized products, print on demand business is the way to go. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you step by step, simple explanation on how you can start your print on demand business. Print on demand business is a system of printing individual copies of items to others. People order these items through you, and the only thing that you need to do is to send it to your supplier, and your supplier, after printing, packaging, doing everything, he will now send it to your customer. This is how print on demand works. It's easy to start, no inventory, no logistics. You don't even need any staff. You don't even need to start renting places for you to be able to start this business. You can start this business in the comforts of your home. And this business is a very, very lucrative business to start. All you need to do is to have a unique idea. Whether you have a unique idea, you can, but have your ideas and have time to be able to work on this business. People have made money doing print on demand business, and it's actually working for us. Guys, let's dive into this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel right now, please make sure that you are going to subscribe in this video. Now, the first thing that you actually need to do if you're trying to start a print on demand business is to pick a niche. Picking a niche is not the problem, because you actually need to solve a problem. And there are quite lots of niches that is flying in this particular print on demand business. You can choose from apparel, you can choose from fitness, you can choose from camping products, you can choose from pet products, and you can also choose from home decor. And if you don't know how you can actually pick your niche, you can check other print on demand sites. You can check on Twitter, you can check on Reddit, you can also check on YouTube and see the print on demand items that are making money for people. You can also use Google search. You can also use Google Trends to know the popular items that are making money for people. This is one of the ways that people are actually checking out on how to go about the items. And if you have passion, you can also check through your passion. What can I do? What can I provide for people? And this is very, very important for you if you want to start this business. Pick a niche and focus on that niche, and you must be able to solve a problem. But one thing you should know is that you cannot satisfy everybody, and you cannot sell for everybody. Picking a niche helps you to be able to make money in your business, because it helps to reduce competition. And this is exactly what you need to do. And you have to pick your niche by checking out other products. And you don't need to be an experienced designer for you to start this business. So make sure that you are solving a problem. You can target your audience, solve a problem, check out how can I be able to make money by solving people's problem, helping them to be able to, achieve your own goal. After doing that, the next thing you need to do, number two, is to decide what to sell. Now, just like I said, we have different kinds of niches. And right now, the most popular items that are on demand is t-shirts, we have stickers, and we have socks, we have different kinds. So what do I actually want to, sell? If I have picked a niche, you need to pick out something that you can actually sell. So you can also check out other products, see how they are doing online, and then from there you'll be able to pick a niche. After that, you need to start creating designs for the product. Create your product designs. And if you don't know how to go about it, you can go to some particular sites like Pinterest. You can go to Dribble. You can also go to designers. These places can help you to be able to design some things. Another thing that you need to do is do not copy people what they are doing. You need to create original designs, designs that are unique. You don't need to be an experienced designer to be able to design something. And if you want to design anything, or you don't have time to be able to design some certain things, you can go to freelancing sites to be able to find designers that can help you to create your product design. You can go to sites like Fiverr. You can also go to site like Upwork. These sites have designers who can help you to be able to achieve your goal. And the next thing that you actually need to do is to decide where to sell those items. There are different marketplaces and there are different e-commerce platforms that you can actually use to sell these your customized items. Example, we have Shopify, we have eBay, we have Etsy, and we have Walmart, we have WooCommerce, and we have lots and lots of them. So, but the difference between e-commerce platforms and marketplaces is that the marketplaces have different kinds of people that are selling there, different marketers who are also marketing their items. So, and if you want to personalize your website or you want to have your own personal design, you now have to use Shopify or you use WooCommerce to be able to design your website. So, this is where you now have to decide where you want to sell your items. Either you sell them on Etsy, you sell them on eBay, or you sell them on different e-commerce marketplaces, or you now create your own website. This is very important for you if you're trying to get your own print on demand business to kick off. And the next thing that you need to do is to set up your store. Setting up your store is very, very important. As you set up your store, you're registering your business, arranging so many things to be on ground. And setting up your store, you need to, put everything in place. After setting up your store and registering your business and you're preparing to launch your business, the next thing that you need to do is to pick a supplier. A supplier is the only person that can actually help you to push this print on demand business, because right now, okay, you have a product, then who is going to print them? So you need to pick a supplier that you can actually trust, someone that can fulfill the order of your customers, and someone who can give you a good reputation. So as you're picking your suppliers, you have to like research about your supplier and make sure it's somebody that can actually fulfill your orders. And the next thing is to set up your price. As you're setting up your price, you are listing all those products in the shop. So set up your price, list all your items, connect your shop, you understand, to the products so that people can actually see them. And the next thing that you need to do is to check for the quality of your product. And how do I know that this product has a good quality? The thing that you need to do is to order for the products. Order one product and check for the quality of the product and know if you can go ahead with this particular supplier. You understand? Order one product. Some of them don't even have any MOQ. They don't have any minimum order. So you can just order one and check if the quality matches your business. And the next thing that you actually need to do is to launch your business. Congratulations if you're able to launch your business. And the main thing once you launch your business is to start selling. And make sure that you are marketing your business. Make sure that you are driving customers, traffic to your site. Is very, very important. You can use social media to market your products. You can use content creation to market your products. And you can also use influencers, collaborate with them, and so that they can endorse your items, endorse your products. And the next thing is to keep marketing your items, keep promoting your business, and monitor all the digital items, know the products that are moving. You understand? Is very, very important. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This is where I'm going to stop today. See you next time. Bye bye.